In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page on Squarespace. If you've ever felt the need to clean up your Squarespace site or simply wanted to remove a page that's no longer relevant, you're in the right place. Deleting a page on Squarespace is a straightforward process, but it's essential to proceed with caution. Once a page is deleted, recovering it might not be as straightforward. So, let's dive into the steps to ensure you do it correctly and confidently. Firstly, head over to the Squarespace website. It's the starting point where you will begin the process of deleting your page. Once there, look for the login button. This button is your gateway to accessing the back end of your Squarespace site, where all the magic happens. Click on it to move forward. Upon clicking the login button, you'll be prompted to continue with Google. This option is perfect for those who have connected their Google accounts for a seamless login experience. So, go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Next, you'll need to select your Google account. Choose the account associated with your Squarespace site. This step is crucial for ensuring that you're modifying the correct website. After successfully logging in, navigate to your website. You can find it listed under your Squarespace account. This step is where you begin to dive deeper into the specifics of your site. Now proceed to the Pages section of your Squarespace dashboard. This area is where you can view all the pages you've created for your site. It's the heart of your content, neatly organized in one place. Within the Pages section, identify the page you wish to delete. Once you've found it, look for the trash can icon. This icon is universally recognized as delete, and clicking it will initiate the process of removing your page. But remember, this action is significant. Ensure the page you're about to delete is indeed the one you want to remove. Upon clicking the trash can icon, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is a safety net, ensuring you don't accidentally delete something important. Click on confirm to finalize the deletion, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a page from your Squarespace site. While the process is straightforward, it's always good to pause and double check each step to avoid any mishaps. Deletion is permanent in many cases, so ensure you're absolutely sure before removing any content from your site. Deleting a page might seem daunting at first, but with these steps I hope you find it manageable and easy to follow. Remember, keeping your Squarespace site organized and up to date by removing outdated content can significantly improve your site's user experience and overall performance. Happy editing!